this one here because you're
want me
going
to
to do
show
a
you?
magic trick. Are you going to do it now?
Sure.
Okay, watch closely. So it's your girlfriend who taught you this?
Oh, no. I taught her. Let's get it
Oh,
straight.
let's get this story straight.
Okay, watch this. The towel is out. Are
And
you
it's
watching
from
at home?
is
I
it
hope.
from the cruise ships that you learned this?
No, it was a video I saw.
Okay,
But
okay,
anyways,
watch, Sean.
nonetheless.
Let's
okay,
go.
So yeah, so what you do is you do this, you fold it
Okay,
over
one
like
corner,
that.
okay.
Right? And then you fold it this way.
Uh-huh.
Okay? Then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna flip it over. All right?
Okay,
like
you
this.
flip it.
And then you
Roll.
just like this. Hold on.
Don't be nervous. Okay.
Then you roll.
Yeah.
And then you just tuck in.
Then you have
right
a
here,
pocket.
Just like that. So
Oh
now
my
you've got
gosh.
a
I
nice
love
rolled
it.
towel, and it's just tucks right in there.
Let's give Sean a
you go.
hand.
Thank you.
That's beautiful. That's really done.
Right, and then but then it's nice and put together.
Well, next I want to see
you
the
go.
swan, but we'll do
The
that later.
swan.